Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ramsha Arif and currently I'm on my study visa in Canada. I am using this platform to share some of the information about the process which I have gone through. So, if you are applying for the Canadian study permit from any of the country, you need to give a medical exam by a licensed medical practitioner. This test is in place just to make sure that you are fit enough and that you are not carrying any harmful or any communicable disease that could pose a threat to the Canadian population. There is a list on the website IRCC where you can find whether your country is falling under those category to give the medical exam or not. So mine was falling under it and I had to give the medical exam. So let's begin. When and where we are supposed to give the medical exam? We can give medical exam before and after the visa application process. But make sure your application will be considered complete after you have given your medical test. So, I would recommend you to take this medical exam before you apply for your study visa permit. That way, medical won't create a bottleneck in the visa process. So, once you have decided to appear for a medical exam, you need to book an appointment at an approved medical center. You can find the list of medical centers in your country that are approved by the Government of Canada using the link provided in the description below. But keep in mind that number of medical centers vary from place to place. In my case, I was lucky enough in Delhi there were ample number of medical centers provided by the government. Now, what all documents we need to carry to the medical center? Once you book an appointment, you need to ask them what all documents are required, and along with that, do not forget to ask about the medical fees. In my case, they have charged me around 6,750 INR, but it keeps on changing. So, before going, ask them. Now let's come on to the document list. Usually the documents required are offer letter from the concerned university or the college, print out of it, COVID vaccination certificate, bring your original passport and photo state also front and back, passport size photographs, or especially if there is any ongoing or past medical report, try to bring it with that also. I will tell you about the test which I have gone through for the medical examination. So it all began with a chest x-ray, blood test, urine test, and they also will examine your vital signs, height and weight. The last and foremost step is doctor consultation. There, the doctor will ask you about your ongoing or past medical history. So, if you have any, please clear this to him then and there. So finally, that's all from my side. In the next video, I will be sharing about the re-medical examination. If you find anything informative, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.